This is Calljmp, and so on the right I have a code for agent. Basically just some form input information, description of agent. The main function run, it basically just analyzes sentiment. It has some input with public class as a parameter and uses dynamic prompt from our prompt studio. So for example, I can say I did not like this movie, and on the dashboard on the left I can see real-time execution. And here we see I did not like this movie, negative. So the question is, where is the prompt coming from? The prompt coming from our so-called prompt studio. So here I have a sentiment analyzer prompt. It's the same name, and here is a same ID. Here is a prompt, and here is two inputs. I create more inputs if I want to, but in this case I don't really need to do that. So in this case, we see this agent, this prompt being used by this agent on the right, and I have two inputs. This is just for the evaluation, our first iteration, where basically you just can run the prompt and see the outcomes real time while you work on the prompt. Obviously, when you update the prompt on the right, you don't need to change the code of agent. You just need to basically do nothing, because the prompt is used here and it's updated automatically. Of course, we are planning to do the version control of a prompt, reverts, diffs, and obviously evaluation, like I said, per each input, so you can see not only just response but also statistics about information about that run or this input. Like I previously showed, we already have observability. So you can see all the steps. For example, here you can see the agent start, right? You see the input we given the agent. We see the one workflow phase. So we call it analyze sentiment, and this is the response of the workflow phase. This is the response of the agent. Obviously, you can see the agents. You can see estimated cost per agent, per each request, or each run per se. There are more things like portals, so you can also expose agents through the portal. So here we see the agent is being used by portal. So if I open the portal, I can see the agent. I can even say I liked that movie, and I can run, and in real time we can see response. Obviously, if we go back to observability and open this one, we can see to refresh that and open, I like that movies right here. That's the same run. So we have several things. There is RAG and more. So you can dive into it as you wish.